Experiencing a key fob not detected error in your 2014-2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee? It usually points to three key culprits: a dead key fob battery, a faulty radio frequency hub, RF hub, or a failing proximity antenna. First, test your key fob battery. It should read above 2.8 volts. A simple battery replacement, CR2032, often solves the problem. If not, the issue may lie with the RF hub, the module responsible for wireless communication between your key fob and the vehicle. Less commonly, the proximity antenna, which detects the fob for hands-free entry, might be the cause. Understanding these components is the first step to fixing the issue. Start with the easiest fix: replace the key fob battery. The key fob uses a CR22 lithium coin battery that typically lasts 2 to 5 years. If the battery is dead or weak, the fob can't send signals, causing the error. This simple replacement costs about $5 and fixes most cases. Test the battery voltage first. It should measure above 2.8 volts using a multimeter. If the problem persists, it may be the radio frequency hub or RF hub module. This central component processes signals from the key fob and can fail due to moisture or electrical issues. Stellantis has issued recall number 24V123 covering over 1.2 million vehicles for free RF hub replacement. Take your Jeep Grand Cherokee to an authorized dealership for this covered repair. Software updates often resolve detection issues by reprogramming the RF hub. Many newer models from 2020 onward receive over-the-air updates automatically. For vehicles not covered by warranty or recall, expect to pay $200 to $500 for parts and labor to replace the RF hub module. For issues with the proximity antenna, which detects the key fob for hands-free features, module replacement may be needed. This antenna is embedded in door handles or the liftgate and can fail due to corrosion or damage. Check online forums like jeepforum.com for user experiences, success stories, and DIY solutions before attempting repairs. Looking ahead, Stellantis is focusing on software-based solutions to prevent RF hub failures. Future models will feature improved designs with moisture-resistant seals and AI-driven diagnostics to predict and prevent key fob issues, potentially reducing failures by 50%.